Hello, welcome back to our channel. Now we completely forgot to do an intro to this video.
So here it is.
So this video is about our journey with Pentland Ferries across the Pentland Firth from the Scottish mainland, Gills Bay, across to Orkney, St Margaret's Hope. Tight squeeze. We're on the ferry to Orkney. Hopefully it's not going to be a rough sailing. So we're just leaving Gills Bay now. We're heading over to St Margaret's Hope over the Pentland Firth. This is the Pentland Ferry. We have got it before and it is just really nice. It's about an hour long. We're going to head up to the deck and look out for orca on the way.
We'd like to advise passengers that the stern door is closed and the vessel is secure for free. Time of passage will be approximately 1 hour. Would you please pay careful attention to the following safety announcement? Your attention is drawn to the life jacket joining instructions of the emergency. On this vessel, the emergency signal consists of 7 or more short flaps.
We might be going inside because it's snowing and raining as usual, so
And I think we're going into a bit more of it. So
we don't want to get drenched.
Escape inside is freezing cold.
Trust you have a pleasant journey with us today, and thank you for your attention.
If you've seen any other of our ferry videos, such as going to Shetland, you'll see that we like staying on the top as much as we can.
Yeah,
Sure, he's got a shot at seeing like whales and dolphins and things, so yeah, we like to try and get out, but if it's absolutely caning it down, then we try and get a bit of shelter like we just did in there.
Yeah, I mean that's quite handy because it's got quite big windows and you can still look out. And orca have been seen from these ferries before, so we do feel really hopeful whenever we go over to Orkney. We're going to see something on the ferry, but
Hopefully.
yeah, we'll see. Journey, you get to go over past quite a few of the Orkney Islands. So we've got Hoy in the distance over there. We go past Stroma as well, and then Swona we'll go past in a little bit as well, which is really cool. You get to go up, see them quite close, particularly these ones, and yeah, always looking out for orca on the way.
I don't know if you can hear us with all the car alarms going off, but we'll try. So other than the Pentland Ferries one, you can get the North Link across as well, which is normally the company we go to Shetland with, so yeah, that leads from a bit further round the corner.
Yeah, that goes from Scrabster and it goes to Stromness on Orkney, whereas this Pentland Ferries goes from Gills Bay and over to St Margaret's Hope, so it's a different end of Orkney that it goes to.
I think this company has about 3 sailings a day, and does the North Link have the one
Maybe
late
2,
on? Or
yeah, 2, one
or 2?
Early morning, one later on.
So.
But we've never got that one here, so that'll be something that we'd like to get, just to compare, see what they like, see what it's like.
Compare the prices as well.
Yeah. Given what it was like when we set off. It is absolutely freezing. It is windy, but thankfully I think we've missed the hail and rain and snow storm that kind of headed off towards Duncansby Head.
We even got a little bit of sun as well.
Yeah. Last time we came to Orkney, we actually got sunburned. It was so warm.
must have come on like the most hottest day of the year for Orkney, of about 12 degrees.
I know, we were sat at Scapa Flow, at Scapa Pier, and it was just boiling hot, although I feel this time it's going to be very different. Warming up a bit inside.
I think we may have spoke a bit too soon with the weather not raining.
Don't like the look of that cloud. So cold. We're just going past Hocks Ahead at the moment. It's just over there.
Another good spot of headland to look out for orca on as well.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really nice.
The rain or hail is coming in a lot more now, so we might go and shelter again in a second.
I think so. We're nearly arrived in St Margaret's Home now on Orkney. Hopefully the weather stays nice for us whilst we're here.
I don't know about it stays nice, it isn't nice to begin with, so hopefully it gets nice.
Yeah, I hope so.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So we're now on Orkney searching for the 27th orca pod. Really hoping that we're going to catch up with them.
We've got the 27th pod.
I'd like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside